Yo. Where'd you come from? Oh, you take the freeway all the way here?
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's do it. You're in your car, right?
Yeah. Where do you want to go eat?
We'll go eat after.
Oh, you want to ride right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me go get the car. All right, welcome back, everyone. Gosh, it feels so weird to be back in front of the camera. As you just saw, Joey's on my bike because it was at his house. Right now we're just gonna go into like an empty parking lot and just have me practice around and stuff just to get comfortable with the bike, because obviously you don't want to go too hard the first time, because the last thing you want to do on a bike is obviously crash. So we're gonna go to just an empty parking lot and then we'll get some clippies. I brought my GoPro, so hopefully we'll get some good clips and everything of just me riding around, and hopefully you guys could hear me because I don't have a mic set up in the helmet or anything. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm out of breath. I'll catch you guys when we get to the parking lot. So like I said in the introduction, so I have a 2006 GSXR 600. It's got a little tear, but it's fine because nobody cares. Funny enough, the bike was actually Joey's. It was Joey's bike, and then he sold it to our other friend Michael, and then Michael got tired of it, and now it's mine. So it's been passed down to at least 2 of his friends now, and now it's my turn. So yeah, I messed up and I didn't bring the right attachment for the GoPro. Luckily, there's one right here that I could put it on. So hopefully that'll look okay, but you guys just won't be able to hear me, so you'll just see me ride the bike. Like I said, there's nothing too crazy going on right now for this, because I'm just literally learning how to ride the bike first before I even do anything else. So these videos are just gonna practically be like the journey of just me learning how to ride the bike and me improving and etc. So I think it'll be a good time. Probably Joey will probably pick up the camera once in a while, just videoing me going around in the parking lot. It's not going to be an exciting video at all, but it's a start. So
Clap for Ruse. Yeah, I don't know how to zoom in on this camera, but yeah.
So as I'm literally editing this video, I realized I didn't get to record most of it because, oh my gosh, I had the GoPro rolling at one point and then I stopped it because I thought it wasn't on and recording. So like literally half of the video, oh my gosh, wasn't recorded, and like there were some parts in the video that I thought I was recording. I was getting actually really comfortable and getting on the throttle a little bit more and just riding around a lot more, and I realized it didn't record. I'm pretty bummed about that because I did start getting pretty comfortable and more confident. So yeah, that kind of sucks. But and I think it'll be cool because you guys will just see how much I improve also, and so I think that'll be really nice and just cool to watch because even just like in like an hour or so, just maybe not even an hour, like 30 minutes or something like that of just riding around, I started getting really comfortable, and so I low-key want to take it on the streets, and I know I shouldn't, but yeah, that's how I feel right now. But a couple more days of just like riding it around in a parking lot, I think sooner or later I'll be ready just to take it on the street just a little bit, you know, nothing too crazy. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't anything super crazy. I promise it's gonna get better. The other half of the video was actually helmet footage, so you could see from my POV. So that's why I'm a little bummed out about that also, but hopefully, definitely next time actually, you guys will see a POV perspective. So I'm excited to show you guys that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't anything super crazy like I said, but I really hope you guys did enjoy it. I promise it's only gonna get better from here, and it will. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys all so much for watching. Thank you guys all so much for staying, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.